Hi. So I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing your name right. Is it Tegan or Tegan? So I apologize if I'm saying it wrong either way. So please correct me. But you are one of the only people that picked like a chapter book for this reflection, and I kind of love that. I read all the time, and when I was little, I read all the time. And when I was growing up, my local library had the books in the shelves, and they smelled like old books. And I would pick one and read it, and the next one, and next one, and next one. And so I did read The Secret Garden growing up, and it was one of my favorites as well. I love the part that you flat out said this wasn't a book that you would really go for, but definitely something that Mom helped out with, and she sat with you and you could figure it out definitely as you go. And you're right, there is a movie coming out with this. It looks like it'd be kind of good. There's an old school movie on it as well, and it was okay. It wasn't great, but this one looks like it's definitely much better. So the only part, that you probably feel the same way about I do, is that the movies are never as good as the books. I mean, if you're reading this book, you have your idea what that garden looks like in your head, and the troubles that she's going through, and like what you characterize her as being. So, it's definitely something when it's somebody else's ideas on there. So definitely a great book, great choice. I would read it to my kids. I would read it to my classroom. There are so many different, since it's a classic, there's so many different places that you could find work or like study guides or like quizzes or art projects or, different reflection type things that out there on the internet that will help you teach this book a little better. And I think it has more lessons in life than in just kids' books. I mean, as far as, what other people are going through and empathy and, just the difference of foster care versus, being put to different, uncles and aunts that you have to live with back in the day. So it's a great book all across the board. But I appreciate you picking a chapter book, and I love that you picked this one, and I agree. Great choice, good paper, and like I said, I love the idea that Mom was out to help you out with this. So, yay, Mom! Great job.